to be out here for a minute.
Let's see you guys play. Just go play once. Let's see you play.
Where's the ball?
I don't know. I don't know.
I thought it was, I think it's in stock. Oh, great. Ow. Got it.
Okay, let's see you play one quick game. I just want to see.
Yeah. Nope. Start with it. Oh, fuck that.
You know what would be better if you guys were like more talented at this game. That would help.